Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to resize over 100 images ready to use in a slideshow on my blog. So I've opened Steve's image resizer, and the first thing I'm going to do is add some files. So I click the green Add Files button, click on the first image I want to use, go down to the last one. On the keyboard click the Shift button, Shift key, hold it down and click on the last one, and then press open, and I'll have my batch of over 100 files ready to use in the program. Now the next thing I want to do is just scale the pictures down, so I don't want them stretched in any way, so I click the scale option, and then the picture keeps its same aspect ratio. Now what I want to do is choose the maximum height I can use for each picture on my blog, maybe 250, and the maximum width, maybe 500. These are maximums. It doesn't matter if it scales so that it doesn't reach the same height or doesn't reach that width, but it will always keep within these dimensions. The next thing I want to do is make sure I have a nice high quality. Because they're small images, I can afford to have a higher quality, say 90. And then the next thing I want to do is choose the folder I'm going to save my files to. So in this case I'm going to choose Steve's image resizer, and these photos were taken in Kew Gardens in May 2011. So I click OK. So now we're all set. Now what I want to do is add some text. So I click the Add Text box, and then I'm going to choose my URL so that people can see the website I'd like them to go to. Maybe creativesuccess.co.uk. There we go. And it's quite small text at the moment. So what I'm going to do is make that bigger, bold, and maybe, I don't know how big, 26, say. See what that looks like. Oops, a bit too big. Let's try something a bit smaller. Maybe 22. That's okay. There we go. On this picture black doesn't look very good, so I'll choose a different colour. I'll click the colour button and maybe try yellow. There we go. That looks okay to me. Maybe drag it down the bottom a little bit, and there we go. So now all I need to do is click the Save All Files button, and every single file will be created with the text on, and it will fit within these dimensions. One more thing I'll do, I'll change the prefix. I just put S for slideshow, and then click Save All File. I can save them one at a time if I want to, but I click Save All Files. The program, you can see the numbers changing. It's busy working, going one by one to recreate all the files that I've asked it to create. And as it gets to the end, oops, there we go, success, created them, and asks if I'd like to look at them. So I click the OK button, and there we go, in my default Windows viewer. Let's make it a little bit smaller so you can see in the screen. There we go. So these are the sizes of images I've created, and I can go through one by one. And that's it. I've got over 100 images created with my URL on there, and they'll all fit nicely into the size I've chosen for my slideshow. And just to show you it actually works, I've actually loaded a slideshow onto my blog. There we go. And you can see all the pictures are nicely in there going through. I've used slide.com in this case to display them. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Bye.